Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok suspended account. So if ever you open your TikTok and you see a pop-up notification that says your account is currently suspended, then the very first thing you should do here is you have to go to your Google web browser or any web browser and then type unsuspend or unban my TikTok account. So all you have to do here is to scroll down and tap the very first link, which is account safety. Now, what you're going to do after you're here is you have to scroll down and then look for contact us. Here in contact us, you can send a report or a problem or a specific concern, and you can just simply add some files, for example, screenshots or picture as a proof that you are encountering this problem. For topic, you can select General Account Inquiry, Category, scroll down, and then tap this ban account. And then here you have to provide your email address so that they can reach you or send you a message or some instruction in order for you to unban your account or how you unsuspend your suspended account. For additional details, you can add here the message that you want to address. For example, you can say that please help me fix TikTok or fix my suspended account here on TikTok. I didn't violate any community guidelines, so everything is up to you. And then below you can see your attachments. As you can see, it's optional, but I strongly suggest that you attach some proofs here, like pictures or screenshots, that your account has been suspended. And then after that, you can now submit this and then wait for a couple of days or weeks. They will just send you a message and instruction on how to unsuspend your TikTok account. So basically, that's how easy it is to fix TikTok suspended account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.